Check this out. This is the first time I've seen copper that is like brass. It's golden. I shined up this old copper for this shower valve. And it's brass. But it's also copper. Once it was heated there where I soldered, it turned like into the typical copper I would see, but it's also gold. Anybody know why it's like that? And why did I put this drop here facing upwards? Because I'm gonna put it back and below it. Because I feel like it. But yeah, please let me know about the copper situation. I'm curious. And why did it turn kind of orangey reddy there, but it stays gold otherwise? Maybe it's over time, like since it's been in the house a while, it's oxidized and turned gold. I don't know. Let me know what you think.